Welcome to Legacy Careers LLC, where your ambition meets expertise. Our mission is very simple: to empower professionals just like you to transform career dreams into lasting legacies. With personalized career coaching, resume and LinkedIn optimization, interview preparation, and job search strategies, advance your career today with proven strategies and expertise. Visit us for more at legacycareersllc.com. That's good, career warriors. It's your boy Anthony Harris back again with another video. Did you know hiring managers Google candidates prior to an interview? So if they don't like what they see, you could be done for prior to your interview. So what I need you to do is go review your digital footprint out there prior to your next interview. Not only do I want you to go review your LinkedIn account, I also want you to review your social media accounts that are linked to your name. I want you to go to your LinkedIn profile and make sure that you not only have the correct picture and header on your LinkedIn profile. I also want to make sure you are posting right content in the industry or field that you're interested in, because they will review that. I also want you to go to your other social media accounts and clean up any posts that you have on there that don't reflect accurately on what you want a hiring manager to see for your digital footprint. Like, follow, subscribe to this page for more. If you're looking for a career course to help you land a six-figure job or land a promotion at your current role, make sure you also click the link down in the description. I have several courses, many for $50 or less, to make sure you land your dream job in 2025. There's no excuses for us to land, for all of us to hit our career goals in 2025. If you need anything else, career warriors, please let me know. Peace.